Now we will talk about our new features. We have an API site called Assembly AI. I haven't even spent $50 yet with a $50 credit here. So this site will be to our advantage. Here we can do speaker separation in addition to OpenAI Whisper. We're going to do an experiment here. I gave the video of two people talking as input. The speaker separates it into A and B. Two words slipped out because they were talking over each other. We may need to cross two words. Of course we did. There is music playing in the background of the video. In this video we identify these episodes. There are 4 types of sound. The back sound can change. No sound for the vocals. He didn't come for the drums either. In the bass section, yes, this is how it sounded here, and we select it. We choose which sound is the background, the bass one. Here we have defined our background sound. Let's listen to the bass again. We will select the contacts and add them with Add New Speaker. Let's make sure we have the right sound again. That's the background sound. Afterwards, we can now add multiple speakers in our new interface in our ElevenLabs application. The second speaker came to speaker B. Why did we use Assembly AI? So what are we doing? Because we can get users as speakers, it gives us more than one person. It means 6 hours of free translation. Here we use the DeepL API. It gives us 500,000 characters a month for free. We benefit from this. We prepared the program specially. Normally the video was in Turkish. In this way we get the English subtitles of both announcers as translated. Obtaining subtitles of different people, we receive our subtitles as translated. We translated the subtitles of speaker B from Turkish to English. We can now choose our input video. We've got subtitles for A. In the same way we get translated B. We don't use a direct editing program. We set the background sound. My character warns me to run away. Made, if you remember. Here I choose Basque. Afterwards, with this Basque, here is something like this in my output folder. I gave a folder name as English output. The word count is the same. ElevenLabs character limits. Video of 2 people talking. The process has now started with the convert operation. It was our original Turkish video. Now they talks English. Now I'm speaking a little bit in English with Don Vito Corleone and Sonny Corleone.
Something must have pissed you off going to Fenerbahce with that shirt on.
One statement was very effective. One of the managers at the time said in that last meeting, "Who will buy you after this time? Sometimes you feel worthless or you don't feel that valuable." Greetings to the president, Aziz President. He said, "I will be champion with you in your 100th year." He said he would help me, to be both wanted and appreciated, and I reflected that appreciation to you. I realized how much I was loved in the hatred I received after I left Besiktas.